subscribe, and then turn the notification on to get notified about every new lesson which I upload in this channel every day. Hello friends, in this video we will learn some eating phrases. This is part 1. And without wasting time, I'm gonna start the lesson, so take pen and paper quickly. You have 1 second. So time up and the lesson has started. So you are with your friends, or maybe with your family, or maybe you are with a Turkish person and you guys want to eat and the food is ready and you didn't start eating. So you say, can we eat? In Turkish you can say, yiyebilir miyiz? Yiyebilir miyiz? Yiyebilir miyiz? It means, can we eat? Yiyebilir means can eat. And miyiz means are we? So the translation becomes are we can eat, but the correct translation is can we eat? And also you can say yemek yiyebilir miyiz? It means can we eat food? So the answer can be evet, tabii ki, or hayır, şimdi değil. So evet means yes, tabii ki means of course, hayır means no, and şimdi means now. Değil means not. Şimdi değil means not now. In the morning, you ask about breakfast. Can we have or can we eat breakfast? Or can we do breakfast? In Turkish you can say kahvaltı edebilir miyiz? Or kahvaltı yapalım mı? Kahvaltı edebilir miyiz? Or kahvaltı yapalım mı? Kahvaltı edebilir miyiz means can we do breakfast? Kahvaltı means breakfast. Edebilir means can do. And miyiz means are we? So are we can do breakfast? And of course the correct translation is can we do breakfast? And the other one kahvaltı yapalım mı means can we do breakfast? Or can we have breakfast? Yapalım mı means should we do or shall we do, but it's used for can we have breakfast? Okay? And you can say evet or hayır, and you know the meaning of them. Now you can ask for the table, because if the hotel is full, then you have to ask for free table. So in Turkish you can ask like this. Boş masa var mı? Boş masa var mı? Boş masa var mı? It means is there a table free? So boş means free or empty, but here it's used for free. Masa means table. Var mı means is there? So whatever they say, you will try to understand whether they will say evet var, which means yes there is, or they will say hayır yok, which means no there isn't, or maalesef boş masa yok. It means unfortunately there isn't any table. Or maybe they will say affedersiniz boş masa yok. It means excuse me or excuse us, or I'm sorry there is no any free table. Okay? So affedersiniz bugünlük bu kadar. I mean excuse me or sorry or pardon, it's enough for today. I will bring other parts sooner, so keep practicing and learning Turkish language with Language Animated channel. And like the video if it was helpful and share with others. And subscribe and click that bell icon so that you will not miss our upcoming new lessons. Okay? Thanks for watching and görüşürüz.